Hello friends, welcome to the last of the 4 bandhas session. Today's bandha that we're going to practice is actually just a combination of the other 3 we've already learned, doing it all together. It's called Maha Bandha, which is translated as the Great Lock. And the reason it's the Great Lock is because you are really trapping the energy, the breath energy in from all sides, from the neck on down. And then when you release that kink in the hose, it just flows. So go ahead and find your seat. I'm going to sit cross-legged today. And relax your hands down. Spine nice and straight and tall. Regal. Sit regally. Sitting bones grounded. Close down the eyes. And feel the points of contact between the sitting bones and the mat. Observe your breathing and checking that everything else is nice and relaxed. Especially your eyes. Relax any tension behind the eyes. Neck and shoulders liquid. And check that your thighs are not too engaged. You should be doing the bare minimum to sit. And come to your breath. Observing the breath as it travels from the tip of the nose through your body and back out the same way. If you're lost in thought, just come back to your breath. Vowing to drop all that was happening before you came. For this session only, you are pure, unencumbered, light. There is nothing else but you, your breath, and your awareness. Okay. Gently open your eyes. All right, the Maha Bandha. We'll practice with the outer retention because it's better for the belly bandha. So we'll do a deep inhalation and then we'll exhale all the way out. And then I'll say Maha Bandha, engage Maha Bandha, and then you bring your chin to your chest. You pull up Mula Bandha and you squeeze your belly in. Just take 1 or 2 invigorating breaths before we go with the bandhas. So deep inhalation. Relaxing exhale. One more time. Let's do a third one. Deeply in. Let it all out. Slow, deeply in, belly, chest, neck, And exhale all out, emptying yourself of breath. Straighten your arms, chin to chest, Mula Bandha, belly bandha, engage. Good, relax. Let's take one normal inhale and exhale. In, exhale out. And then let's inhale again. Get ready for bandha. Exhale all the way out, emptying yourself. Block the elbows, chin to chest, Mula Bandha, Maha Bandha. Let's go. And relax the bandhas. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Let's do another round. Inhale deeply. Exhale, release. Emptying yourself. And engage Maha Bandha. Neck, Mula, belly. Relax. Inhale. Exhale comfortably. Let's do two more. Inhale deeply. Exhale, release. Pushing, throwing the breath out. Maha Bandha, engage. Relax. Refreshing inhalation and exhalation. The last round. Inhale deeply. And make it your best. We'll hold it as long as we can. Exhale all the way out. And when you're empty, engage Maha Bandha. You feel that breath reflex. Breathe in. Relaxing the breath. Relax your shoulders. Place your hands gently on your knees or thighs. And come back to the normal, natural breath. And observe how you feel in this moment after the practice. Observe the flow of energy, sensations you've created. Feeling it flow all through your body now. lost in thought, just come back to the body sensations. Come back to the breath. Start to pay attention to the environment around you. Sounds, the ground beneath you, and the room that you're in. Gently coming back to yourself, back to the world. And slowly open your eyes. Now you know everything there is to know about bandhas. There are only 3 plus the Great Bandha. In the next videos, we'll practice some of the techniques we've already learned and including bandhas with them. So I can show you a few ways that you can add them to your practice, and then you can go about your own and do what you like, get creative. So thank you once again for your time and attention. Greatly appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you here soon.